everyone. It's Karen with InStyle. So I love a good braid, but I'm looking to take things up to the next level. So I'm bringing in the big guns. Here's Frank.
Hello.
He's gonna show us how to do a cage braid today.
Remember, this braid, it's like a French braid and a fishtail braid. That's the best way to kind of describe it because of how you add the hair to it. And you're doing it a little bit looser. So I'm just turning you around. Start with the center part, and then I just kind of do a triangle. I always find the hardest thing is just starting.
Yeah, I can barely do a French braid myself, so.
It looks crazier than it is, if that makes sense. It's not that hard to do. So I start off as a French braid, and then I just take a bit of hair from the front. So this hair in the front is like locking in the rest of the hair. And if you notice, I'm not holding it with too much tension. Do you feel that?
Mm-hmm. So my hair tends to be pretty slippery when I work with it. Is there anything I can do to sort of make it easier to work with when I'm doing a braid like this?
I started off, I put a little cream in my hands. That's the best bet. You know, sometimes also a little like a little bit of a texture spray would work nice. So then you just shake it, and I just pull the hair, and that just holds that up, and it just starts to separate.
So it looks amazing. I love it. It looks like I should be on Game of Thrones. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
High five.